Yeah. Hey, this is a new rap, you know what I'm saying, for all the cats who claim they do hip hop. You know what I mean? Straight from the Bama. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and rip it up. I rip it up like a movie ticket. Baby love me because she swear that I'm handsome, she gorgeous. I'm loving her lipstick. Look, so we head to the move. Look, baby, we groove. I'm feeling your Coach bag, your Gucci fit in your shoes. Shut up. Now, do I have to say it again? I'm like that music, that song and repeat that we playing again. We right in the bed. She laying with him. And the day nice. Look, she says she love me. She says it twice. Because I'm just giving a hard pipe. I'm like I treat her good because she had a hard life. I just take them hard shots. Look, then I head to uh the club. Give me a nice shot for like $5. They put me right on the spot. And them blue motherfuckers got me blue motherfucker. Like, oh my gosh, what I do, motherfucker. I ain't even got cuss, so it's no discussion. Whatever I speak, I'm handsome. Keep these females blushing. If they talk to me wrong, money deducted. Not a subject, you subtracted. You niggas is acting. You're softer than fabric. I apply my money tactic. Everything a classic. Look, me, my face was what you imagine. I'm like, yeah, man, that loot, only thing I'm grabbing. Look, I'm dabbing. I'm talking little hairs and theirs. Look, I'm like, dag, man, shots that'll clear the air. Probably lead you anywhere. Probably in the parking lot. I really hate broke niggas. All they do is talk a lot. I'm like, dag, man, I don't talk too much. But if I spoke, then I didn't mean to talk you up. I'm like, dag, so these dudes really talking stuff till I put a hot one in his mug like a coffee cup. Look, now he laying on the pavement saying crip, but he coughing up blood. So I'm gonna do a sticker, put his body in the back like a drive-through pickup. Yep, and I'm just drinking on the liquor, man. I'm one of a hell of a kind type of nigga. Holla.